A lot of birds around me right now. Western kingbird has moved. There. There he goes. Oh, it's right above me. Right above me. Beautiful. Moved around. Whoa. I need to pull this out here because he's doing little loop-de-loops. He's calling for a partner here. Western kingbirds are such pretty little birds. Got a nice little song. Pretty bird. Got quiet all of a sudden. There must be a big bird around somewhere. And just as I said that, there's phoebes all around, eastern phoebes. This is crazy hard to see because it's so cloudy out. That's an eastern phoebe there, but there are about 3 of them that seem to be, I guess they're fighting, because I don't think this is courting season. Just saw a mid-air collision over there. There's one of them. The other 2 are a little bit lower. Yeah. Down here. Just too hard to see. And the sparrows are back. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with those phoebes over there. Oh, there's a cardinal over there. He's like, there he is. Okay. It's so hard to see stuff in the viewfinder sometimes. Females out as well. So many different birds showing up today. A ton of sparrows that were about to fly down, and then they saw me. And they're flying off. So they left this one finch by himself. That wasn't cool, was it?